What's up, guys? Thank you for being in this video. And today we're going to deep dive into using MCP control our Windows OS using it. So just like the last video, control Parrot OS, it's for hacking. But right now we're going to have a complete assistant in order to mostly control our Windows OS. So just like before, I'm gonna actually share all the resources that I have in GitHub. The link is going to be below in the description so you can use it. Right now, I already up and running MCP server, and let's use it. Test and see that we have testing Windows OS using all this MCP that I created. You can shut down, restart, and open applications, and you can even go through the source code of the Windows. This is going to be epic. Even you want to go to the source code of application, and maybe you wanna tweak something in settings or even any other applications. Like this MCP is going to be very, very handy. As you can see, it already find out everything about my OS, Microsoft Windows 11 Home, everything else. So you already find out and already get access in OS. So Windows. Okay. So this right now. Okay. Now let's say open Notepad app and write the word with the phrase for the world in it. Okay, right now you can see and you open in it. So as you can see right now, already created a notepad and just perform it, but it's not quite the thing that we want. It might even organize our the direction, the folder, the files, the naming of the files, and all of it. So let's do that. Create a new folder in desktop. Right now it's already created a new folder in desktop. Let's see. Desktop.
Zico, I give you three flavors. Comment which one is your favorite. And that's what I do.
Okay, right now the new folder in directory here, new folder, new MCP folder. So the operation is actually doing great. Rename, add order number, add number at beginning of the name of the folders in data. Okay, let's see, and here we go. Even now, even the naming and any other operations is going to be added in. So You can use this MCP to get control of your Windows. Add any other operation you for your Windows and use AI to get control of your Windows. Do everything that you want with it. So I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And in the next videos, we're going to have all these kinds of tutorials, and I hope it's going to help you out. So see you guys in the next time. Goodbye.